Hey, welcome back in French's Garage. In this episode, I will install the Sissy bar. I will take care of the rear drum brake by installing a bracket for the cable and the retainer of the drum brake too as well. I run into some problem with my TIG welder, and I will show you what happened and what I did to fix it. And lastly, I will try to clean the frame a little bit and put a coat of primer to protect from the rust. As you can see, this rust is annoying. Every time I'm coming in a shop, I try to clean a little bit, and the next time I'm coming back, it's rusted again. So I want to protect everything. Red coat, which I'm gonna put inside the tank as a liner, and so that will be protected. So I'll let you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. So thankfully the Sissy bar comes with a kit with all the bunch necessary to install, and the one that come with the Sissy bar are a little longer than the one I had, so I had to use the longer one to attach the Sissy bar, so that's what I'm doing right now. Here I'm reinstalling the rear brake cable to the pedal, so I can see where the bracket needs to be. Here, this is a seat bracket. If you remember, I cut it, so I was able to bend it. So here I'm just filling the cut. and here this is something I may add to the Sissy bar. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I have to think about it. But something I realized was the entire fender Sissy bar was moving a little bit, so I decided to add a third attachment right under the seat bracket. So, and after that, no more movement. Everything was very strong. Then I started to have some problem with my welder, with my TIG. The weld was becoming crappy, and I didn't change much setting. So, and it was a brand new bottle of argon. And then I realized that the torch cable was broken at the torch, and it started to be broken also at the connector. So I was able to take the torch off and put some heat shrink, and I guess it did the trick temporarily because I couldn't find any torch locally. I learned that connector is European, and you can't find it here. You have to order it online. So yeah, live and learn.
Starry eyes and cellophane, she takes her walk, she makes her plans. A truck bails down the avenue, there's broken glass, a missing pew at church. Maybe I was...
And yes, finally, I was able to shoot some primer. It's a primer sealer, and it's some kind of a epoxy hybrid. Very happy with. We'll see. I haven't sent it yet, but I will do the body work on top of that.
Title to ask the question why we live and then we die. I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side.
Yes, and here it's done. Primer is done. I know there is some areas where I will have to grind or sand because I still have to do the exhaust bracket and maybe some other few things. I remove the Sissy bar bracket as I am thinking of doing something different, but at least I can start body work where in some areas where it's done, so. That will be, I will be able to do some progress. Tank is also primed underneath, and same thing for the fender. The only part I forgot was the fake electronic tank, which I will do next time.
I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side.
Then I finished the day by putting some blue Loctite on all the bolts that goes on the front brake disc, and then I torque all those bolts at 17 foot per pound, if I remember correctly, and yeah, so that's another thing that is done.
If something comes to take me in the night.
Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and if you haven't done it, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.